Like and subscribe for more update about the Blackpink comeback. So here's my theory about the musics that going to happen at the Blackpink comeback for how you like that. Based in my theory and sounds of the teaser video from Rose and Jenny, let's watch this. Have you heard the sound? It's quite familiar, right? Well, that sound is the monitor from the hospital. Let's hear from Jenny again. Sounds of the music of Jenny is quite really familiar, so I'm gonna play some sound of old internet.
Preview.
That's the old internet connection sound. It's quite familiar, right? Let's hear it again. So I think about this sound also. How about the television? And combined with the signal. Then let's go to the old internet modern connection. So I will combine these three sounds together. They quite sound familiar, but not totally right. But the hidden message in this, it's the connection. They're trying to reach some connection to the outer space. One more time, let's gonna hear it from Rose teaser. See? Have you get my connection? Now, I will combine this. From now, all the teaser that I've heard that it's quite antenna or connection misconception. Now, we're connected to Lady Gaga. Have you seen Sour Candy music video? It's an alien theme, right? Based on my past theory about Lady Gaga Chromatica World and Blackpink comeback, I'll put the link down below. Guys, I'm just giving you my theory regarding from what I heard from the teaser. I think they're trying to connect to Lady Gaga. And let's hear it again once I combine some sound.
Preview. Preview.
As you heard, that's from original teaser of the Blackpink. I will remove the sound teaser from Rose video and I will add the sound that I collected from the monitor in the hospital TV, television, internet connection, signal loss misconception.
Preview.
I'm just trying to mix all the sound from what it sounds similar. And now I get the message. Blackpink is trying to contact somewhere in the universe. Since Sour Candy has just been released a music video lyrics, maybe now you will get the message that what I'm trying to say. Chromatica World plus Blackpink. So, what do you think? Our Blackpink is getting some alien vibes and trying to connect to Lady Gaga in the Chromatica world, and some of it they gonna be similar and gonna combine each other concept. Oh my gosh, this teaser, this music of Lady Gaga and Blackpink is really into it. Since Sour Candy is a bop song, I'm speechless. Alien vibes, I'm feeling you. Lady Gaga, you're really right. You take care of her, girls.